Nothing we don't go see for Abuja, oh. Hey, my people. Now this matter now, I don't even know how I want to deliver and boy beg. Make una open una ear very well because as I did like this, I did inside the mood. So see, just understand that anyhow you want to understand that. Rose I agree with what did they call them? Their partners. Make I just use them like that. They meet on, so they say, okay, oh baby, what's up? Let's go down. I don't know where they down there. They say make they go down. As they can't agree, the girl can't tell her say, how much you go pay now? You know, normal level as they bargain the whole thing. Now so the girl can't tell her say, say na me na 15K I go collect oh. Instead of make the guy tell her say, babe, I no get 15K oh, I get 5K or I get 10K. The guy no talk, he just say say yes, I agree. Now so they go do the do. When they finish with the kululingus, my people, if una see, hey, wahala dey. This one they call her, we die here. When they finish, the kululingus finish. Now so the guy come tell her say, oh, got my money oh. Now so the guy 10,000 from 15K he enter 10. Now so the girl say na like today I go show you where you pass from your mama womb. No be joke oh. Now I bring a come aside. If you see this girl, in fact I don't give her name a Viper. So join me, make we watch the Viper.
Nothing person no go see for this one Abuja. Nah see you. Chineke me. They get your head dying for ya. Jesus. How much be your money? How much be your money? Why you no want collect transfer now? Shebina, what did I tell you?
Now this one they call you don't jam rock. This man don't jam. Chineke, Viper. See, even though I know they support this kind of work, like the work which they do, I know they support her, and I know if you advise you now to do it. You understand? I know they support them, but I beg agreement na agreement, my people. You meet person. You already know say na the work where this person they do, you still go there, you say na you won't do. Ngwanu, now you have done, you don't want to pay. Why you know? I don't understand. Some men, you know, if you just use una mouth talk through sometimes. If you don't say you no get 15K, kukuma talk babe, see oh, now this thing I get oh. You said you agree 15. You know say you know say you no get money, but you they go carry runs get. Today, in fact, I wish say they feel may they just change am for this man. May come become times 2. This work already dey this difficult for these people. It did nothing say they easy. Okay, even normal boyfriend and girlfriend now where una they do. No, how many times una they do? Then imagine say in a day you must meet like 4 people before you go meet up your target, because according to them they said they get targets. You know they easy for them. So anything where you know say una they discuss, I bet pay them. Because nobody send you self in the first place. You carry your 2 legs and your this thing, you they go, you say they find you. Ungwanu, you don't find now. Some of these people, they know they happy with what they do. First of all. No, are they serious? All these girls when they see up and not be all of some of them normally they do it because their friends they do it. Some people they like that. I don't see them. But others they do it because of condition. You understand? So it no they easy. Pay them. I don't just understand. So men una own too much for this life. Una own don't, in fact you don't pass another thing. They go tell una date one girl, stay with one girl, stick to one girl. You say no. Say you like egusi don't tire you. You like banana tire you. You go enter salad. Now the salad you they chop like this, my brother, and make sure say make sure say after you chop am, drink enough water. Or there you never see anything. If I be this girl, okay, maybe she know wear heels. Now that heel self I go even start with. maybe this girl are new for the business because I don't dey calculate. See my people, I don't meet many of these people. Me I dey waka o. Hey, I don't meet them and I know their levels. This one I dey show say na new person, because normal level they call her wetin they call her, pay before service. You go collect, they go tell you say bros, you pay because of the kind things where they don't experience matters like this. You go first give her money before anything go down. You go pay her more. You never start. In fact, pay. If I be this girl, say I go make am 30,000. 30. And as for you, anti-viper, you are as if say your blood don't. In fact, your blood don't over hot. You don't. After this one, where they try settle, I just hope so you settle like in peace. I beg. See, I know they judge anybody. You're not supposed to know me by now. I know they judge. But try stop this thing. No, how many times you want to embarrass yourself like this? Because this is an embarrassment. This is an embarrassment. She feel no see am, but see my people, make I tell you na something. Eh? Even ordinary boss, wey sometimes we dey enter bus. You understand? If conductor abi mate no wan give you change, maybe the change na 10 naira or 20 pesos. If they no gree give you change, sef, if me I dey shame sef to even fight with them. No, that one no sex no dey inside o. I dey shame sef to start dey say, hey bros, my money. I go waka leave am. No to talk of maybe the whole world come dey hear say hey, person sleep with me. Hey, my sister abeg, I no dey judge you, but please, I no be just her dey talk to. If you dey watch me, you know say this thing na the thing wey you dey do. Abeg, I no dey like hear that thing because e get statement wey some people like dey make. I don't have a choice. Everybody get choice. I don't come correct una. Everybody get choice. Very, very important. No be joke. The people wey una dey see for road, they carry pure water, they say. They tell una say na wetin they wan do. Well, una think say they no get garden so that gundus too go enter pay them. Everybody get choice. They fit decide self to go dey do the wrong thing, but they no wan do am. So there is a choice. There is always something you can do in this life. I don't tell you this thing before. They no born anybody. Wetin I go even call a skeleton. You were born with a gift. E get something where only you fit do. Nobody. Forget am. Even this music. Yes, we get thousands of musicians, but all of them get their. You get people, once you hear their voice, you know say, this one and this one, this one and something about you, they unique. So, Biko, I know so now they watch me, and you know say this thing, they think and wear. Something they inside you will nobody get. This thing no be work. It no be work. Are they very serious? No, I don't stop laughing part now. Are they very, very serious? You understand? I beg, try. If not to go outside, I know say now the country they hard, I know. But see, Ungwanu, make I even use them from this angle now. You don't they do this thing since. Many of you don't even dey inside this business long time. And I just the hope say, even though na bad thing, una dey save. Ungwanu, the money now where you don't save. Why you no fit carry that money, start something, stop that work? Now just suggestion, no, I don't know how na dey see am. You understand? Carry that savings, start something. Now wetin I dey think? And if you never save, maybe you dey spend them as they come. Ungwanu, why you no fit just enter any shop? Say, madam, as I be sweep. See, you get choice. Forget them. Some people start this life. All these big people where you see, not be all of them go they sleep around. You understand? Some of them are from cleaner. Before you know it go they happen. You understand? Now why I bring this matter out? You understand? So I beg. Think am. Sleep over am. Think am. You get choice. Very, very important. And when I know say I love una, anyhow way you be. People now why I bring this matter. So I beg. Start to drop the comment for that comment section. In fact, I still dey laugh because the gay action alone, it dey make me. Drop the comment for that side and make sure say you share this video. I bet we need help all these people. They need hear this message. You understand? They need hear them because some of them they feel say, see, some of them feel even want commit suicide. You know. So share this video. They're very, very important. And make sure say you subscribe. If not, you're not going to get matters like this. Stay tuned for the next story.